Hello and welcome to the GSM6 official YouTube channel. In today's video you will learn how to record calls in Samsung Galaxy A06 without beep or call record warning. By this method you can secretly tape all the incoming and outgoing calls without letting the other person know. It will avoid that annoying beep or warning message. Follow the guide step by step carefully in order to enable call recorder in your Samsung A06 5F global device. All the tools, download links and step-by-step guides available on GSM6 for free, including compatible USB drivers, required tool and list of compatible Samsung CSC codes. Please watch the full video and don't skip any step. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are facing any issues, then please do let me know in the comments by sharing device model, build number and country. Stay tuned for more.